What is up, you guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to open up an LLC in the state of California. So opening up an LLC and getting your business started is one of the best things that you could potentially do. Like being your own boss, starting up from scratch and growing something really big and having unlimited potential and being your own boss, one of the best things. I've always worked for myself. I wouldn't have it any other way. I highly recommend you to do it today. Do not procrastinate. Get that LLC done. This video right here, I'm going to show you guys real fast and easy how to get done. Literally 5 minutes, straight to the point. So if you want to follow along in this video, click the link in the description, and I also have it in the pinned comments. You can literally click that so you can follow along with the whole process. I'm going to be using Taylor Brands right here, and we can get the LLC done really fast and easy in this video. Straight to the point. So let's get started. All right, let's click the state, California, and you want to have a business name already in mind when you're starting your LLC, right? So for me, let's say I'm going to have Midtown Power Seller as my other Amazon business. You don't need to type in LLC because they're going to do it for you. And like I said, if you want to follow along, the link will be in the description. So we're going to check if it's available. And yes, it's showing that you can use this name, business name. So we're going to click next. The process is going to be real fast. We're going to click next here. It's going to ask us a couple of simple questions like, what stage are you currently in? I'm currently taking the first few steps to starting my business. When do you plan on launching? In a few weeks from now. Okay, and then what industry are you in? So if you click any letter here, you can see a ton of industries for you to choose from. For me, mine is related to e-commerce. So look, they have e-commerce here. And then what do you offer? I offer physical goods, so I'm going to click that. Click next. Click next here. Are you planning to hire employees in the upcoming year? For me, I just work for myself, so it's just going to be myself. If you do, click yes. Not sure, don't worry about it. And then the zip code you're operating from, and is your business online, brick and mortar, or on the go? For me, online. Next here. So today, what we're going to be doing to get our business official is the LLC as well as the EIN number. We're going to click next here. So people might not know what is an EIN number, right? So you need to get your LLC and you need to get something that's called an EIN number, which is like almost like the social security for the LLC. It's a 9-digit number that you get from the IRS, and this is where you need to open up like a business bank account, business credit card, do your taxes, all that stuff. You need to be official is your LLC and EIN number. So don't worry, we're gonna get it all done in this video. What have you already done? I've done none of this for Midtown Power Seller, so I'm just gonna skip this here. How did you discover Taylor Brands? So if you're watching this video, just click YouTube, click next here, and do you wanna join a 12-week coaching program? I'm gonna honestly pass on this just because, but if you're interested in it, you can always join. It's free. It's pretty cool. I'm going to pass. No, thank you. All right, none. They just want you to put your contact info here. So I'm just going to put some basic contact info here for an example. And boom, right? gmail.com, password. We're almost done with our LLC. Literally real fast and easy and straight to the point. Okay. Now, Taylor Brands could get the EIN number for you. They do charge $99, but it's a one-time fee. You get it all done real fast and easy, or you can do it yourself for free, of course. And that's something you do after you get your LLC. You will go to the IRS website. You can pretty much get it usually done the same day. You have to apply during the weekdays, not on the weekends. I don't know why, for some reason. That website doesn't work on weekends. It's really strange because it's all done online. So I don't know. They need to get up to date with that stuff. So personally, I like to just get it done with Taylor Brands, $99 extra. That way I can get it all done, the LLC, the EIN number, not have to worry about it. One less thing to do. It's a one-time fee. For this example, we're gonna go with it. If you wanna save some money, you can do it yourself. It's not too hard, but for this example, we are going to do that. All right. Now, do you want to assign a registered agent for your LLC? For me, I am always my own registered agent for all of my LLCs, and I recommend you to do the same if you live in the state of California. So for me, like I said, I'm always the own registered agent. Sometimes you would assign a registered agent if you're making an LLC in California, but you don't live in California. So then that's when you have to assign a registered agent. Pretty much the registered agent is like who's going to be receiving the mail for the LLC. Personally, I always use my home address for all of my online businesses, LLCs, and that's no problem whatsoever. Yeah, I'm always my own registered agent. There's no issue with that. So 95% of the people would be their own registered agent watching this video. And I recommend you to do the same exact thing. So I'll appoint a different registered agent, which is going to be yourself. We're going to click next here. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. And then, do you want to keep good standing status, yada yada. So what this pretty much means in summary is, do you want Tabler Brands to auto renew your LLC for you every year? They do charge $199 extra to auto renew your LLC. That way you don't forget. But you do have a couple of months to renew your LLC. You have like 3 months to do it manually yourself. So I like to just handle it myself, just because I feel like 3 months is long enough time frame to renew my LLC. I like to save some money, do it yourself. If you think you're gonna forget, you can do this, pay $199 extra, and keep good standing status in California with annual compliance. I like to handle it myself. So click next here. Do you want a branding toolkit by Tabler Brands? I would just pass on this. This is something I really consider you guys to do, right? Expedited filing. So you get your LLC done in 2 business days. They charge $49 extra, but you can get it done. That way you can open up your business bank account, business credit card, be official, start making money. I think it's a great deal. Or if you want to save on some costs, you can do this option, 14 days. You wait 2 weeks or more, pretty much 2 weeks, and you don't have to pay anything. For me, I'd rather pay a little bit extra, get it expedited filing. That way I can start get my business bank account, business credit card real fast and easy. We're gonna go with this option. Now, do you want an operating agreement? I honestly think you don't need this whatsoever. It's pretty much more of an upsell in my opinion, so I'm gonna figure this out myself. Okay, now we got formation kit. We're gonna pass on this. You guys don't need this whatsoever. All right, now this is something I would consider anybody to get because it's for invoicing and bookkeeping for your business. That way you know how much money's coming in, coming out. It's pretty cool. I've never used it. It's a pretty cool option to check out. They do have a free trial for it. I don't know what's the real pricing towards it, but I personally always manage my own books with QuickBooks. But I really like this option for some reason. So yeah, I'm gonna just pass on this and click this. Okay, now do you want to get notified by Tabler Brands, the LLC status, compliance, and all that stuff? I personally like to get notified. That way I know if I have to renew my LLC and all of that stuff. Okay, now Tabler Brands is gonna have 3 packages for you to choose from, right? The Light, the Essential, and the Elite. But we talked about earlier that we got filing expedited and the EIN number. So personally, I like to help people save as much money as possible here. So the state filing fee for California is $75. No matter like opening up your LLC, you always have to pay the state $75. To renew your LLC, you always have to pay $75 every year to keep it renewed and active. But let's go with this Light program to show you guys a couple of things that we did earlier. So you click this, right? And now you're going to see the California filing fee, $75, and we paid a little bit extra for the expedited filing of $49. If we click down here, the annual compliance that we passed on because we're going to auto renew our LLC. Operating agreement, we passed on that. Registered agent, you're going to be your own registered agent. EIN number, we paid a little bit extra for the EIN number because I think it's really important. And that's about it, guys. Total due today is $124. You're just going to continue a payment. Pay with your card here. And that's it. You got your card, you got your LLC, and that's it. You got your LLC done really fast and easy, straight to the point. I really hope this video was helpful to you guys because I try to make it as clear as possible. I see other YouTube videos where they try to make it really confusing for some strange reason. After you put your credit card info here, they're gonna ask you like, what address do you want to use for your business? Personally, I always use my home address for all of my online businesses. Never have an issue whatsoever. There's never any complications, anything like that. If you have a storefront, use that address as well. That's about it, guys. You have your LLC done. That way you can open up your business bank account, business credit card, be official, start making money. Don't procrastinate, be your own boss, unlimited potential. I highly recommend it. If you have any questions, comment down below, like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.